really important to understand what motivates us all, but obviously today the topic is what motivates Google, more specifically a Google seller. Accelerated GCP revenue. Where do you fit in this model? I want to understand when I'm meeting with a rep, what matters to them all the time, or even no matter who's on the other end of the computer or face to face, what matters to them fosters excellent collaboration. We don't want to waste time. We want to be beneficial, as you always want to approach this as a beneficial partnership, sales, no matter where you sit. A really good example of this is Spotify. They run on the GCP platform, but what we want to touch on first is what the difference is between partner sourced or partner influenced revenue. That can be very confusing at times too, because you'll hear that come up often, sometimes in conversations when it comes to co-sell. Google earns revenue directly from its partners' activities. So don't be afraid to collaborate or provide specific intel about your end customer. You want to know that the Google sellers are always there to do what's best for their customer. And the better you approach this with whatever solution you're offering, you want to make sure that it is going to be beneficial for the Google seller and the end customer, because that's what they're after too. But partners initiate, manage, and close deals independently. That's what partner source revenue is. Partner influence revenue is when Google earns revenue from sales where partners played a supportive or indirect role. It's a massive ecosystem. There's so many offerings out there. So you want to make sure that you're describing what your partner influence revenue is going to bring to the table. And a clear understanding of that is very key. It's accurately attributing revenue and assessing the effectiveness of partnerships within the Google's ecosystem. An example of this, going back to Spotify, is Spotify's on the GCP, so the Google Cloud Platform. They are obviously a massive global streaming service with millions of users. But what Google alone, GCP services, they're on GKE, so Google Kubernetes Engine. They're using BigQuery, cloud storage, compute, data flow, and obviously a lot of the benefits for this, what you want to help to complement with all of those solutions that they're standing on, is improved scalability, better data insights, cost efficiency, faster innovation. We always want to innovate. And then one example of this is the Google Cloud Platform is used across various industries for AI, machine learning, security, and big data solutions. So a lot, but all in all, you want to know what motivates the seller and what is your solution going to bring to the table.